Hello, welcome to the Gallery Teachers TEFL Masterclass. My name is Ben Crompton, and today we will be looking at developing top-down and bottom-up reading skills. Reading is interesting. It's one of those areas of language that learners don't often choose to develop. They might be more interested in speaking or listening and then writing. Reading comes at the end. But if you're preparing learners for some form of assessment, reading is going to be a necessary skill that they have to develop. It's something that our learners often struggle with, and it's also something that teachers can find difficult to really develop in class. So in this practical workshop, we'll explore, first of all, what processes are involved in reading, and then I'll present you with 10 really practical top-down and bottom-up activities you can use with any text with your learners to start helping them to become better, more effective, more confident readers.